how to make your Twitter account private. So the first, all you need to do is go and open Twitter app. Once you download it and once you logged in with your Twitter app, go and open the application here, and that's the real so simple and easy. So here, once you're in Twitter, in the main page, just go and click on your icon up to the left corner, click here, and then go and choose settings and support, and choose settings and privacy. So here, when you're in this page, you got a lot of options. We'll go down to choose privacy and safety, so click here. And then as you can see, we got some options. We're not going to choose any of these, but we go up and choose audience and tagging, the first option. So we click here. Now we got two options, photo tagging and protect your tweets. So what does that mean? If we click on protect your tweets, that means that your account is private. And if you'd like to check this, just go back here and go back to the main page and go and open your account. And here you can see the accounts became private and you got this lock icon next to your name. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.